Okay, I'm going to attempt at making my shortest video out of 2,500 that are just have something to do with this Live Good thing. Okay, first of all, thank you for your time in watching my darn videos. Okay, guys? All right, now the fundamentals of Live Good. Step one, join. And how to join. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to shrink myself up here. I like to snap my fingers. Watch. That gets cool when I just snap and I can be right here on your screen, okay? Now, this is just, I use, what is this, Google Chrome? That's my favorite. What I'm going to do is just type in one of my most favorite links, and it is just joincory.com, okay? Now, I promote this link a lot. I also promote Work with Cory and some other. Well, let me just get out of the way here. I always feel bad. Well, here, I'm just going to hang at the bottom right of your screen. Deal? Okay. Now, joincory.com. It's on my business card. It's always on my thumbnails on YouTube. I post it all over the place. Now, when people put their name first and last right here, and then they click this email, it just says reserve my position. Okay. Now, what this means is you're in Live Good, you're pre-enrolled, you haven't bought nothing yet. The word reserve, I know most people think, okay, reserve my position, but you mean as a gold, as a bronze? And these are questions I have received over the last 11 months, and I try to get with support to see if we can maybe change this capture page a little bit. And I know we've signed 1 million people up just by this process that I'm showing you. But not every day, but just about every day, I'm explaining to people, okay, if you join, you just put in your name and your email, and you're going to click this. It's reserve my position. And then they go, okay, well, what position are you? And I just go, well, I'm platinum. Okay. And okay, well, I want to sign up as platinum. And I'm like, okay, you can't buy yourself into that. Now, and the reason they say that is because when you buy email, when you buy traffic, when you buy a lot of things, you can buy certain tiers of traffic or anything. It doesn't have to be an online business. I want the gold package at Disneyland. Well, you can't buy in to a rank. You just join, then you earn up to bronze by getting a couple people. Get 10 people, you can get up to silver, get 30 to 100, get up to gold to platinum, okay? You can't buy yourself into the rank. Okay, but reserve my position for what? Okay, it's just you're going to be hopefully a member. For $10 a month, you can buy anything Live Good sells for wholesale. And if you want to be an affiliate, and that's what I concentrate on, it's $40. Okay, but what's my position? And I'm just like, oh, if I could just, I wish they would just listen to me at Live Good, and I know they're not going to. But this reserve my position. Do you notice that right here on this page, there's not one thing that even talks about what a position is? That when you get to this capture page, people are just supposed to, okay, I'm reserving my position. Well, if I could reserve my position, I want to be right here with this guy. All right. If I can run on the beach with this smoking hottie, even though I'm 40 years older than her, okay, I want this guy. I want his youth. Okay. I'd like to reserve my body in him, and I want to be running next to her. But guys, this capture page, I think it's not bad, but it's not good. I just think it's average as hell. And I think we're hundreds of thousands of people short of what we should be in the company because a lot of people don't understand what to do here. Now, most people that sign up with me, they do not put their name and their email in first and join, down the road. Most people that join me, they look all over the internet. They look at YouTube, they look at Instagram, they go to Google just to read articles about Live Good, and then they go to YouTube. And if people see me, then they'll go, okay, Cory. And at the end and the beginning of my videos, I'm always like, join now, workwithcory.com. Go here for more information, or to join, do this. I tell my downline every day, you have to ask for people to join you, or at least to get information about joining. If you want to be a distributor of Live Good, talk about the products all the time. And then they're going to think, okay, well, where's a product? Okay, my CBD oil. If I just talk about this all the time for $14, people are like, oh, okay, well, Cory makes probably a couple dollars off each bottle. And then it's a drop ship company out of Jupiter, Florida. So Cory's a distributor of products. But if you notice, even in it's Work with Cory, Join, Cory? Everyone's like, yeah, but if you have the word join, people get scared. I go, not in my case. Okay, Cory, what are you about? Are you a products guy? Are you an affiliate? Are you what position are you? The bent over position going, oh yeah, give it to mama. I mean, so with video, I can explain what my position is. I'm an affiliate. I try to find other affiliates. I'm a platinum. I'm hoping to hit diamond maybe by summer, but I really don't focus on that. I just want to sign up one person at a time and then help those underneath me in my downline sign up more people. And then you earn your rank. Okay, what position do you want to be or rank? Okay, if you want to be bronze, silver, gold, platinum, here's the average amount of income you'll probably make. Okay, because I can't really talk about income because you kind of get in trouble when you start promising money. That's really walking the line when it comes to business opportunities. You always hear the word biz op. And I just say, okay, well, this is how much I make. This is how much other people make. This is what I do by enhancing LiveGood, because I make a lot more money doing opportunities that lead people to LiveGood. Okay? And I tell people how I earn money so that when they join this great company, it's a nice slow build. Take your time. People will join and they will get people to join and so on and so on. And then over a nice 6 months to a year, 2 years, 5 years, you'll have a nice income built up. Okay? I get my advice from several people that are very, very, very successful in total 100% multi-level marketing nightmare companies to me, and I still didn't join them, but they've made millions. Some of my friends have made hundreds of millions. I grew up with them. Okay? They founded New Skin. Everyone and their dog in Utah has tried me to get involved in New Skin, and I just, I kind of pretended a little bit, and I said, I'm just not really into this, guys. I'm more into rock and roll and nightclubs and AC/DC and building Lego kits. But I get some really nice information and some good advice from very successful people in 2024. I don't care what worked in the 90s or the 2000s or the 2010s. What I care about is February 2024, because that's what it is right now. Okay? So that's where my head is. That's where my thought process is locked in, is what can I do now? Okay? So you have to bring up the word join me, or would you like to work with me? Or if you want more information about being an affiliate and products, because no matter what, everyone's going to know what our products are. It's the first thing you kind of look at when you go to livegood.com. You just go, okay, shop products. You just look at the products because it's fun. Then you look at the ingredients and how cheap they are, and you're like, okay, now this is cool. And then you get into FAQ, frequently asked questions, and then everyone usually gets into the comp plan. And then you go, I think I can do this. Because at the end of the day, all I do is invite people to watch a video. And if they have $10 a month, hey now. And they'll find other people that want to watch a video and have $10. Hey now. Okay. All right. Whenever I do live feed, sorry, I forget to, whenever people comment on my videos, I got to learn how to turn off my, what's it called? The brink. Is that the sound thing? I need to put it on vibrate. So sorry about the little chirping in the back. Anyway, don't overcomplicate LiveGood. Remember, it is a membership-based company. Now, you can go there just to livegood.com and shop away all you want. But if you want to save money each month, I recommend be a member for $10. Spend $40 and be an affiliate. And please let me just show you how I make money. And if you think you can post and do some things for free, great. If you think you can do a video, awesome. If you don't mind buying some traffic or leads, I'll show you the right way to do it so you don't get in trouble with LiveGood. Okay, I've learned a lot the last 10 months. I'm going on month 11 next month. And like I said, I'm very happy with my recruiting ability. Right now, I'm top 15 in the company out of 1.1 million. And that it cracks me up because, guys, I am not Mr. Affiliate Marketing. I am not internet online business opportunity guy. I'm zero. I'd rather be cranking the AC/DC going, man, let's go rock and roll, okay? But I'm a people person, and I think that if you just focus on people need a little help, little guidance, joincory.com, take baby steps, and we'll get you in this fine company. Then we'll start worrying about configuring, getting your username, and then doing the best marketing campaign according to your experience or budget. And we'll keep doing it month after month. That way it's a nice, organic, it's just like a beautiful plant or tree or flower. That's how I look at LiveGood. It's a nice long-term badass thing. Okay. All right, guys, I'm at the 10-minute mark. Thank you for watching my videos. Go into my YouTube channel, just bookmark it or subscribe to it. You guys know what to do. All right. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next video. They should be popping up by my head right now. Talk to you later. Bye. Whoa, watch out.